Hey guys, my name is Rachel and I'm coming at you from Idaho. I just really want to tell you about this company that I found. Their name is Gents and they're a jewelry company. And when I found them on Instagram a couple years ago, I was looking for another ring. I've been married for just over 3 years and I wanted a ring that I could take when we travel. We travel a lot. And I'm always worried about losing my initial wedding ring and I didn't want something to happen to it. But I didn't want a silicone ring and I didn't want a ring that was going to turn my fingers green. And so I found Gents and I got this ring and it's called the Halo ring and it's an opal. They have multiple different colors of it. And then my band is the Forever band and it's beautiful. And what I love about the band especially is that I can wear it with my original wedding ring. I can wear it by itself. It is just dainty and it's beautiful and it's pretty. Same with this Halo ring. I don't always wear the band with it and it's amazing. So the rings are made out of 925 sterling silver. They aren't going to turn your fingers green. That was my biggest concern when I was getting this ring. I didn't want it to turn my finger green like most jewelry does. And the quality is amazing. The cost is amazing. The rings, you don't have to go spend a mortgage payment on a ring. You just don't need to, and Gents really shows you that with their quality. I get compliments on these rings all the time. I love them. They're stunning. They hold up really well, and you know, so if you're in the market for another ring, because I wear this, I wear it when we travel, but I also switch it up with my other wedding ring. So if you're looking for another ring, you're gonna get engaged soon, you know, go give them a like. I found them on Instagram. They're on Facebook. Go check them out. It's definitely worth checking out. I love them. I'm not disappointed. I wear it all the time and it's just as pretty as the day I got it in the mail. They come in these little boxes and it's really nice because then it's protected. It comes with a cloth. There's some slots for rings. It's just, I love this company. I love their mission. I love what they're about. Go give them a look. Really, this is such a pretty ring. You just won't be disappointed. They have different styles for everybody. I love mine. Go give them a like. They're a great company, great price. I just can't say enough good things about them.